Hello friends and hello student. In this session we learn the binary triangle in C language. So let us start. I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I just double click and take some time. And now just open Alt F file menu and taking new file. And here definition, write a program to print uh, binary triangle. So you have to know very well in our computer programming language that is a binary, that 0 1, that is known as. So here we can first one, and so many different type of shape, or we can say that pattern is there. So then after 0 0, yes, and then 1 1 1, and then like 0 0 0 and 0. So next 1 1 1 and 1 and 5. So next also there are so many combination, like here we can again start like 1 and then 0 and 1. Yes, that is also pattern. So here now start 1, then again 0 and then 1. Okay, so that is also possible. So next we can say that here now start again 0 then 1 then 0. That's a combination of 1 0. So yes, now start again 1 then 0 1 0, and last is 1. So that is also one pattern. So many pattern is there. So we can start at our coding and we can pattern different type of triangle shape, or also triangle to convert into the pyramid also, that is also possible. So yes, let us start. I just comment line, for there is only two shape but we can print so many style different type of yes. Now our coding, and that is include files stdio.h, yes, and then console conio input, conio console input output.h, conio.h short, and void main is there, yes, and then we can like our general I j and number of row, yes, and we can also after that taking pace. So now first we can print general CLR SCR, yes, so clear the screen, and now take the number of row from programmer. So enter number of rows, just that type of message, and scan our n variable. Also you can take some programmer taking the r variable, but here I take n number of row, and general our row I equal to 1, then I less than or equal to n, and then I plus plus. You have to know so many my video lecture is there YouTube, and you can also watch so many video. So here j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, and j uh, but semicolon, and then j plus plus, yes, and then we can print first our my technique, that percentage d, and print the j, and then we can convert to our binary triangle. That is our technique. So slash n, yes. So that is a default. We can say that that type of first we have to print, and next we can understand how it's possible. So yes, first I save this file. So binary, yes, and three letter of triangle and dot c. So binary, so binary triangle, yes, dot c. So yes, now compile this our file. Yes, F9 is there, no any error, and control F9. So we can, yes, so that is not binary, but that our shape 1 1 2 general. Okay, now I converting the binary format. So first our 1 then 2 0. So that is a here I. So here we can what to do. Here I take one brace, and here I take one if condition, and if I modulo equal to 1, then we can say that print the first initially we can print 1, okay, and percentage d. and also in double quote one, but that's not proper. We can say that that is an integer data, right? So one is an integer, so we can also in like some give here directly 0 and 1 above. Also that possible, but we can percentage d and 0. So yes, and closing brace. So that is required, and now save, and let us check how it's print. So here modulo 2, yes, that is remaining, but I first give you understanding what is. So modulo operator reminder is 1. So I is our 1, that 1 modulo 2. So that is a first taking, yes, so that 1. Then let us check how it's first print, and then we can understand. So yes, that is our required first, and 1, then that 2. So module is not 1, so then give in the else part 0 0, then again I plus plus, so 3, that module is 1 reminder. So then 1 1, then again 4 I plus plus, so 4 is a not 1 in else part, that 0 0 4, and next I plus plus 5, so that is reminder 1, so that is a 1 1. Okay, so and also one blank in between, so that look better. Yes, let us check how it's print. So yes, that is a one blank. So our first target or our first pattern, that is a 1 2 0 1 1 1, then 0 0 and 1 1. That is a shape of that. And now we can print in the middle part, middle of the screen. That is our goal. And next we can take this type of shape. So yes, first here I take one variable sp space, and here I take the for loop, and then I give sp equal to 1 first, and then sp less than 40, because our column is a in monitor size is 80 column, so divide by 2, so 40 middle of the screen, that is a hold. So here just blank. Yes, now our triangle shift in the middle part. Yes, so that is a middle of screen. And also we can provide, like here I provide the just isp, so that shape is triangle to pyramid. Yes, so that is a triangle shape to convert into the pyramid pattern, so that is also possible. And also if we remove this blank, yes, here, so that right to left justify, just remove this blank, so that justification is changed. First our right now is print in the left side. So look how it's just I change here. SP is a 1. You get again 1. First we can give the 1, and then I now again I 1. So that right triangle, right side triangle, that pattern is the right side. So there are 3 shapes we have to print, and also in reverse order. So that is also possible. So now, and also here you can also provide one blank, then again that is an just good looking in the right justification. So that is a 3 pattern we have to print, 3 angle left right and pyramid triangle to convert into the pyramid, and different 2 pattern. First we can print that type of okay, and now we can print second pattern now. Okay, okay, so and also we can provide some color also. Yes, that possible. So yes, here I provide the color, and that is a text color. Yes, text color. And here we can supply to our this I plus 1 and plus blink, coloring and blinking, that is possible. So now here in if condition also provide the brace, in else part we can also provide the brace. So text color, yes, and here we can j plus 1, and then plus, yes, plus sign, and blank blink. So BLI and a blinking, and then here also one provide the brace. And also we can not text color, that is C printf, not simple printf. C means that taking the window form and that give the color format. Okay, so I save, yes, and then compile. Yes, there is no any error, and let us check how it's print. So yes, now that is blinking and print, that is blink and coloring. So that is look better. Yes, and now we can convert. Here I change the reverse order. So means first we can here provide the 0 and here provide the 1. So how it's shaped? Yes. So yes. So that is 0, then 1 1 0 0 1 1. That order is changed. Okay. So that is also possible, and that also you can print like here we assign the blank, and here I assign the sp equal to I. That the triangle shape convert into the pyramid. So that is that shape. Okay. Okay. Now what change? And if you here again assign to remove this blank, so that is a justification is change left side. Yes, so normal change you can pattern different, so that shape is changed, that right to left justification is order is change. Okay, just that pattern is same but order is change, left to right and triangle to pyramid, that also possible. Okay, now what to do? We can now again that is a in right angle, and here I again give the sp equal to 1. Okay, and then we can change here I to j. What happened? Yes, here I, and again I change the order 1 and here other 0. So what shape is print? That is a, let us check. So I save, yes, and then compile, and now look how it's pattern. So yes, that is 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. That is new pattern is print, and that is also you can print in the three right pyramid, triangle to pyramid, and left. So now again I provide the blank is there, I just small change here sp equal to assign to I again, that shape is and triangle to pyramid shape. Yes, so that is now look better. Yes, so and if here remove the blank, so that is a right to left, normal we have to change one by one step. So now that is a right to left justification is changed. So that is a third shape, and also you can print in reverse order or main loop, you can change also inverse, that known as, or mirroring, but we can change in the or this pattern. So how it's print this pattern, that is main question. Here is a what's 1 then 0 again 1 1 0 and 1. So first here we can I use and then j use, and now I use I and j both. So that is our required pattern, I plus j and parenthesis, that is a, so let us, that is our required uh, shape is now print, and I first compile and then run, and yes look, yes, so we can order in change. Yes, so that is a possible, so we can change our order. So here we can I plus j modulo 1. Yes, and yes, that modulo 2. Yes, right. So here we can assign, yes, 0 and then 1. Yes, look how it's print. Yes, so that is a, yes, our requirement element is printed 1 0 1 1 0 1. Yes, so here that is our target, that is a main shape, that is that pattern I print. So 1 then 0 1 1 1 start then 0. So what can do? So that is we can trace in, that is not directly we understand. So how it's possible? So we can check first I that we can convert in simple pattern. Here I give 1 and here one blank. Yes, yes, here also blank. And now first how to print. Yes, so that is our require, and how it's print, that is important in this session. So I minimize this screen, means full to minimize screen, and that zoom to zoom out, that is known as not minimize exactly. Alter W, yes, and taking the watch window, and here I what to do, here I just decrease this watch size, and also that some, yes, now perfect, and then alter W and taking also output, that our triangle is a middle part, yes, that is blinking, and that our require, yes, so that is a 5 row print, yes, all are printed out now. So we can see all element at the same time. So we can adjust our screen, yes, and then we can step by step understand how it's printed by taking here first I, then that our next is a j, and then number of element row as n. Okay, only 3 variable we have to use. Okay, so I first give this space to comment line because we cannot waste our time in tracing. So that is a directly print to here, and step by that is only view 1 to 4, and then I assign, so that is number of less in 14. Okay, so you can understand very easy, but main core logic we have to testing. So now I trace, and that is you have to know that our R menu, yes, here, and that press info F7. So I just press F7, yes, and that is first clear, that is here now clear, and print to here directly. So we can state, yes, now number of row, yes, our message is print, and here I provide 5. And now I equal to here, that you can look and watch that garbage value is there. But now I press F7, so I is initialize 1, and j initialize also 1, and condition, that condition is true. So because I is 1 and n is 5, so that condition is true. Now that condition, j less than equal to I, yes, so but that less than, because j is now 1 and I is a 1 equal to, so I plus j, so that is 2 modulo uh, module 2, so that is not 1 0, so that is in else part, and that j plus that is a coloring, but 1 is print, that is our first element, yes, 1 is blinking and green color, and that printing, yes, look at our first second pattern, that is our goal, that is main pattern, that is very simple, you have to know very well. So we can that print in I, and then we can j, and then I plus j, that is a third we have to step. So third shape or third pattern we have to say that. So first is 1 is print. Now what to do? Now that condition is false because j plus plus. So inner for loop is false because I is 1 and j is 2, and slash n outer for loop provide the slash n, and then I plus plus, I is 2, again j is initialized. Inner loop every time j is initialized 1. Okay. So yes, now I plus j, so I is 2 and j is 1, so modulo is a 1, so reminder is 1 because 3 modulo 2, so that's reminder means 1, so that is a print 0, yes, so that is a yes, and then 0 is print, yes, look in the output window, 0 is print. Then again j is plus plus and condition is check. I plus j, that is I is 2 and j is 2, that 4, and modulo 2, that not a reminder 1, that go in else part, and now print in 1, yes, that is our requirement. 0 after 1, yes, so that is a second row is complete because j is 3 and I is 2, so condition inner for loop is false, and now third row, that is slash n, again I plus plus, so I is 3 and now j is initialized 1, yes, so that I is a 1 and j is a now what to do here after 1, then we can require again here, what here is 0, but now here we require 1. So here I is 3 and j is 1, so 4 modulo not 1, that reminder is 0, so that in else part, so that is print in 1, yes, so that is our target, yes, now 1 is print. Then again j is plus plus, so condition is true, j less than equal to I, because I is 3 and that I is 3 and j is 2, so 5 and modulo 2, so that reminder is 1, yes, that print is again 0. So now what I is 3, j is 3, so modulo is a that not 1 because 0, so that is go in else part, yes, 1 is printed. So third row and j plus plus, so that condition inner for loop is false, and slash n, yes, I plus plus, so I is 4 now, and j initialize again 1 and I plus j, so I is a 4 and j is 1, so 5 modulo 2, so that reminder is a not because that taking that I is a 4 plus j 5 modulo 2, so that is a that remainder is a 1. Yes, so that is that reminder is 1, so that is print 0. Yes, that is our requirement. And again now that condition is false because I is 4 and j plus plus, so 6 here, and that reminder is not 1 0, so that is in 1. So that reverse order we have to print. Reminder is 1, that we have to print 0, and reminder is 0, then we can print 1. That is our requirement. Alternate, so that is a 1 0 1 0, that type. So now 0 and then again 1. Yes, now condition is there now like uh, true because I is a 4 and j is 3. So 7 modulo 2, that the condition is reminder 1. So that is our requirement. When reminder is 1, then print is 0. Then reminder is 0, then print 1. So that is our goal. So yes, now print 0. Now again that condition is false because I is 4 and j is 4. So 8 modulo 2, that is not reminder 1 but 0. So else part. So printing 1. So yes, 1 0 1 0. That is binary. And then last time j plus I plus plus. So j initialize 1. Then you have to know now understand I plus j. So 6 modulo 2. Yes, so that is a condition false. So here and that reminder is 0. So print in 1. Yes, so that is our requirement. Now again j plus plus. So 7. Yes, condition is true. So printing the 0. Yes, next j plus plus. So condition is here is true because that j less than I. Yes, I is 5 and j is 3. And here 8. So 5 plus 3 8. So here not 1, again our requirement is 1, so that is a reminder 0 but print is 1. Yes, and now that condition, if condition is true, because I is 5 and 4 j 9 modulo 2, so reminder 1 but print is 0. Yes, so 0 1. Yes, and now condition is last time, that is our fifth row and fifth element. So I plus j modulo 10. So that is a not 1 0. So go in else part and print 1. Yes, so reminder is 0, that print in 1. Reminder is 1, then print is 0. So reminder 0 print 1, reminder 1, then print 0. So that is a combination 0 1. Okay, so now you can look, that is a printing perfect for requirement. Okay, so now you can understand how that logic is work. Okay, so we can open this comment line and again print in middle part and print the 3 shape. Yes, so first that is a middle part. Yes, and that we can print. Yes, so 5. Yes, that is a printing. Now what here I assign again, that is shape, you can look, that is a right justifies. Okay, and we can convert in the pyramid shape, triangle to pyramid, just sp equal to any. Here we can provide the one blank, so that is a shape in triangle to pyramid type. Yes, so that is a triangle to pyramid. Okay, and now here I assign the remove this blank, so that is a right justify. Yes, remove this blank. So that is a left, right to left. Yes, that shape is left side. Okay, and now we here main our condition, that is here I assign I equal to n, then I greater than equal to 1 and I minus minus. So what that print shape is. Yes, so that is our first shape in reverse order. That is shape is change reverse 5 row 4 row 3 2 1, and also that is print in 3 shape. Okay, first that shape is a left justify. Now what that print in triangle to pyramid shape. So I here only provide the blank, and now let, yes, so that is a pyramid reverse mirroring, you can say that, or inverse one word use inverse. And now here I again provide the like 1, so that is a shape is a right justification. So any one triangle you can print in the six shape, or first in the one, that is one row, two row, that is a three shape, left, right, and triangle to pyramid, and in reverse order, that 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that is also left, right, and triangle to pyramid. There are six shape or pattern, we can say that. So that is okay. And now again I just as it is, and I plus plus, and here I less than n, yes, kept small n, yes, and here our shape I just provide the yes and triangle to pyramid shape. So here I assign the I, and yes, now it is print, yes. So that is a, and now I copy these all parts, yes, I all copy this part and paste, okay, and then reverse order. So what type of shape is printing? So here I change the reverse order, okay. So look at first our vector and pattern. So we can provide like star type of pattern, star, yes, here I assign n greater than equal to 1, and then main loop minus minus, yes, I minus minus. So rest of we have to not change anything. So let us check how it's print, yes. So that is a like that type of pattern, okay. So that is a, yes. And also last I use delay function is there, and background color is there. So here we can use the delay, yes, and that 500 millisecond measurement delay function is a some suspending the compiler sometime, and then printing our element, that is used, and that is a dose.h, that header file is a hold dose.h. We can include that header file and delay some time, and then printing like waiting and printing, that is a magic sum, yes. And also background color. So here you can text background, yes, and that is we can say that mm, white white is mm, yes, white background, but yes, let us take how it's white just only. I copy this line because there are 4 times we have to print type. So here is required. Yes, here is required, and last here is required. There are 4 now. Yes, so I save and remove this blank. Also here is one blank, and now above. Yes, now and dose.h, that header file is a dose.h. So yes, I first dose.h, and other text color and background is a conio.h. So that is not require any other extra header file. So yes, so some waiting and printing. Yes, so you can also provide a different background, but here our color is a I think yellow is there, green is there, pink is there. So you can look at that type of white background. Okay, so I think you can understand. So we can take so many pattern, first I modulo, then J modulo, and then I plus J modulo, and one shape we can print in the 3 different 6 total pattern, left, right, and triangle to pyramid. And the first is a 1, 2, or means perfect shape, and then reverse order shape or mirroring, or some saying the inverse, that inverse it reverse order. So one shape you can print in the 6 different type of shape. One shape is required 6. So left, right, and triangle to pyramid. That is 3 shape, and in reverse order there are 3 shape. So yes, that is a one. And also I print that I just provide for your reference. So I shifting all to here. Yes, other I. What shape we have to print in between? First is a I is printing. Now in between we have to also print J. So that shape is a 1. Then here we can say that all are first in 1. Yes. And then here in here that are 0. Yes, that shape we have to print in 2 row, and here again 1. But yes, and now I sum. So here also one tab is required. By just for reference for you. Yes, and last, yes, tab. So here first row 1, 2, 3, and now here turn. So again here is a we can say that 0, and here also 0. Yes, so and then here is a 1 again. So that type of 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, and here row and here column. Okay, that combination, and then we can print that type of 0, 1. So that is last our goal. And if we can watch our output, so that is green color, pink color, red color, and I think yellow is there. So shine is also okay. So we can provide the background is a white color, so that is looking better. Okay, so I think you can understand, and that write your C programming notebook. We have to print like total in this session. You can convert this pattern into 6 step, this pattern to 6 step, and this. So we can in one session we can learn the like 18 different type of programs. Okay, 18 shape. 6 step of this pattern, 6 step of this left, right, and reverse, and then 3 left, right, and that is also 6 is, and that is also 6 possible. So one shape you can print in the 6 different type of pattern. Okay. So subscribe my channel. I just close and write this program to your notebook, and I just save, and here our output is also blinking. Yes, so that is printing last our output. That is output window, and we can also watch trace by trace, that is see in the watch window and also output window. So now I close this output window and watch and trace. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.